The singular most important information that you need before you patronize that service or that product, the singular most important information is feedbacks. Feedbacks of past users, people that have used it before. Okay? If it is a positive feedback, then they call it testimonies. Testimonies. Okay? It is the singular most important information. Okay? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay? If you are getting value from this video, please subscribe. Let's get to 50k subscribers. Thank you very much. Feedbacks. I've been doing reviews for a long time. I stopped doing review because it is impossible for me to review every singular project. Our parents, they do not have to analyze each of our friends and the ones that we'll meet in the future. They don't. What they do is they give us a guideline. If he's like this, if he's like that, he is a terrible person, run away. Whoever the cap fits, let them wear it. My late father has given me guidelines, and any situation I meet in the future, I'll always make reference to the guide that he gave to me to analyze those situations. Okay, he doesn't always have to be there to analyze every singular situation. And that is why my focus now is on equipping you with the requisite knowledge to analyze any product or project before you commit to it. Feedbacks and testimonies, reliable. And do you know what this means? Feedbacks and testimonies. What it means is that treat every startup is a red flag. Any project that is just starting, automatically it is a red flag because they do not have any proven track record. They are not tested, so they should not be trusted. You see, when they say tested and trusted, it means that time will tell. Okay, so when you are new, you are fresh, you are a potential red flag until you have results to show, until you have what? Feedbacks. Until you have what? Testimonies and feedbacks from past users. You started this project last week. You cannot have feedback and testimonies yet. All right, now let me shock you. Businesses and companies, they know how powerful these feedbacks and testimonies are. That is why you will see that a vendor that is selling a product will be giving fake reviews. He will use one phone to send message to his second phone, screenshot it, put it on his Instagram as a testimony of his product. Because they know that is what you and I are looking for. Testimonies of past users. You grab. So it is very important, and these scammers, they know. For make money online opportunities or website, a very reliable place people also go looking for feedbacks is Trustpilot. But Trustpilot is never 100%. Some people, if it's an application, people go on the App Store or Google Play Store to look for reviews. They are never 100%. Do you know why? There are projects, even if you remember MMM, one of the biggest scams that we've seen in Africa. MMM was offering members money to do video testimonies. We'll offer you so and so amount of points to do a video testimony. There are so many. Haven't you been on your phone using an application? Maybe you do something. There'll be a pop-up on your screen. Are you enjoying the app so far? If you say yes, they'll say go and give us a 5-star rating on Play Store. Why? They are trying to give the impression that they are good. They are telling you to do it. It is not coming out of your mind. Then you see a lot of testimonies on Trustpilot. After the person writes what they want to write, they will drop their referral link for that project underneath it. Already, you know this one is a marketer. This review is biased because it's a marketer. All right. Now, let us talk about your social media influencers, influencer marketing. Influencer marketing. You see, influencer marketing. I know a particular celebrity who has full hair. The guy has full hair. Okay? He brought a product and say, oh, this hair food product is the reason I have full hair. He'll be like, oh, I know you guys, hi guys, you guys have been asking what's the secret behind my healthy long hair. I'm going to tell you the secret today. It is so and so product A. Product A is the reason I have full hair. This is somebody I follow on social media. 3 months after that particular video, I saw him attributing his full hair to another product entirely. And I'm like, what's going on here? How many products are giving you this full hair? Until I began to understand the deception in influencer marketing. If I have a product, okay, let me say a product like this. Let's call it, and I'll call it fat buster. Fat buster. I will now go and look for somebody, a lady who used to be plus size. She used to be plus size. I know her. She used to be plus size. Now, this lady who used to be plus size now went to the gym day and night for several months. She stopped eating solid food, only vegetables. She now lost weight. She now looks like this. I'll now go to this woman who has gone to work it out and sweat it out in the gym to get her physique. I'll now pay her money and tell her to lie to the people that it is this my fat buster that made her to have that physique. Okay? You see girls doing squats. They have nice physique, nice backside. After they have that nice backside, brands will now come for them. Come, take this product, take this money, tell people it was the product that made you to have this shape. That is why when you buy these products, you use them, use. You are still not looking like your favorite celebrity that advertised it. The more you use the so-called fat buster, the fatter you are becoming. It's even making you to add weight. You see, different celebrities go under the knives to have the kind of body they want. After having that body, they will now carry one soap, one oil, and say it was the oil that made them to have that kind of body. That is influencer marketing on its own. Then another one I really want to talk about that I cannot forget to talk about is MLM. Okay? Especially health and wellness. I'll tell you, please, if you have any medical condition, be careful with MLM health and wellness products. They will tell you that one bottle or one sachet will cure every ailment in the world. Now, when they are singing the praises of that particular wellness supplement, do not be fast to believe them hook, line, and sinker. This is a network marketer who is trying to rank up in the compensation plan. They just want to make a sale. They will tell you whatever it takes. They will tell you that they have seen a dead person, that they just put their company product in his mouth and the person jacked back to life. They will tell you. Whatever you want to hear, they will tell you. They will tell you that if you use that wellness product, you will never die. There's one popular health and wellness supplement company that this lady goes about making bold claims. Making bold claims that, what does she need a hospital for? Well, for what? That when she takes this product solves everything. Until one day when I went to visit a family member in a hospital, the same ward, she was lying on the bed there. They fixed more than 3,000 drips on her body. Why didn't that wellness product save her life? When they discharged her from the hospital, anytime she's going to sell that as supplement, she avoids me because she knows that I've seen her at her lowest. Okay? If you want to believe the feedback of a health and wellness product, let it be coming from somebody who is not trying to make a sale. Don't believe that person. If the person is a salesperson, don't believe that person. But if the person is just telling you, I use so and so product and it worked for me, you can believe that person. Why? Because that person is not talking from a biased point of view. Okay? So the singular most important information that tells you about project or a service or a product is the feedbacks and testimonies. Okay, that is what makes a startup a red flag potentially, because you don't have back testing period. That's why you see many of these projects, they come out newly, but they want to lie to you that, oh, we've been running this project for the past 2 years. They want to give you that OG vibes, that we're not new in the game. We've been doing it for the past 2 years. But we just decided to go public. Now, don't go public. Go back to that your hiding place that you have been hiding for the past 2 years. You're trying to lie to me. You will see a popular celebrity, a skit maker, comedian doing skit. Then they will be referring you to a gambling site and giving you their promo code. The question is this celebrity gambling on that site? Ask yourself, your favorite celebrity that is asking you to go to a gambling site to use their promo code, do they gamble? They don't gamble, but they want to cash out on your bad habit. They want to cash out on your bad habit. What a lot of people don't know about gambling is that gambling is an industry that is driven by losses. It is the reason they opened the company, the gambling company, is because they know that you people lose a lot. So it is your losses that will make them cash out. That is why they are here. There's no gambling company that wants you to win. They don't want you to win. That celebrity that is asking you to use their promo code does not want you to win. Because it is when you lose that they make money. The industry is driven by losses. And you hear, oh, somebody won 1 million in gambling. Somebody won 1 million in gambling. What were the total global losses? That particular week, that person won 1 million. Maybe people had lost 1 billion. So how easy it is, how convenient is it for the betting company to remove 1 million inside the 1 billion losses to pay that one person? 500,000 people lost 100 naira. It is not significant. But when one person wins 1 million, it is in the news. And one thing about gambling is they say they stake. You stake. You stake. That means your money is at stake. That means people that go into gambling, they go there assuming that any money that they put is already lost. That's why you don't go seeing people crying and shedding tears when their ticket cuts, when they don't win a gamble, especially football bets. You don't see people crying or people hurting themselves. No, they have this mentality of it's gone. And that's the difference between them, the gamblers, and those that put money in these make money online projects. These make money online projects make people sell their valuables, they put their money in, and when the thing goes south, they become depressed. A gambler doesn't get depressed because when he's putting the money already in his mind, he has already put something that he can afford to lose. The gambler's mentality. Okay? And gambling is a habit. So there are industries who are there to cash in on your bad habit, to cash in on your addiction to make money. Okay? You'll see celebrities who don't smoke becoming ambassadors of companies that produce it, encouraging their followers to do what they don't do. Many supplement companies, many of the multi-level marketing network marketers, they can't even touch their own product because they don't trust it. They're doing this for the money. Be on the lookout. Be smart. Be smart. Learn to know what somebody stands to gain when you do what they ask you to do. That will enable you to know if they are speaking from a biased point of view or not. Share this video with somebody, okay? It will help somebody to make a decision whether to patronize that business or not. Okay, smash the like button. It helps the algorithm to recommend this video to more and more people. I remain Victor Esibo. Till I see you in the next one. It's bye for now.